यस मुक्ति, बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने that the focus and determination is key to success. But it seems that the people who have these qualities of focus and determination, they must have faced less challenges in their life to achieve success. But to be determined and focused is itself a challenge, and for that the motivation is required. And इसके लिए मैं ये सारा क्रेडिट जो है अपनी मदर को देना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि as you know my mother was not well educated and had started earning after the death of my father. But मैंने देखा कि she was very determined कि उनकी जो तीनों बेटियां हैं वो अपना हायर एजुकेशन अचीव करें, एंड उसके लिए उन्होंने she was quite determined and focused each day of life जब तक कि उन्होंने ये गोल अचीव नहीं कर लिया. एंड ऐसा भी होता था कभी कभी कि हम लोग डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाते थे बिकॉज ऑफ सम चैलेंजेस, जैसे कि जब बाहर जाके एजुकेशन लेनी थी, लेडी अप डाउन करना था, तो मैं जो कभी बाहर निकली नहीं थी तो मुझे काफी डर लगा कि कैसे मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगी, बस में बैठूंगी. बट शी मोटिवेटेड मी अ लॉट, एंड उन्होंने मुझे काफी समझाया कि नहीं बेटा तुम्हें ये करना होगा. And that is the reason I pursued my higher education, because I wanted her to be proud of.
Wow, such an amazing and inspiring story. I can understand it wasn't that easy. Despite of all the challenges and obstacles that you faced, you managed to reach the top, which is truly very incredible. And I do not have any words to express my appreciation for this. Let's continue and talk about the other question now. One part of our program is dedicated to housewives who are in their 30s and 40s and haven't started their career yet, but they have a desire to start it. What advices would you love to share to them? How can they start their career at this age? And what essential things they do need to keep in their mind before going out for a job?
Yes, Mukti, a very very important question indeed. देखो, I am a very very big supporter of education, and all the highly educated women, they can apply for the jobs as per their qualification and can pursue their career. And some of the women who are well educated and for some reason somehow they have not started their career till date, I want to tell them that we women, we are multitaskers and we can handle a dual responsibility of our household and career very nicely. So keep all the fears aside and start your career in which stage of life you are in. And now talking about the less privileged one who are not very educated and still want to pursue their career. So I want to say for them that each and every woman has some skills. जैसे कि कोई खाना अच्छा बनाती हैं, कोई सिलाई करती हैं, एंड कोई ब्यूटिशियन अच्छी हैं, कोई डिजाइनर अच्छी हैं. So each woman should recognize her skill and she should enhance it, and then she can do something in that area. And आजकल जो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है, this is a very very good thing I think. Each woman can showcase her talent and accordingly can earn from her skills. This is my advice to all the women, that whatever in whatever stage of life you are in, whether you are starting whether you are in your teens or you are in your 30s or 40s or 50s, time each of the time is very good to start a career. For each and every woman out there, my advice is stay motivated, feel confident, and never ever think low of you. Take every opportunity as a challenge and try to overcome it. And definitely you will get success one day.
This was it. Thank you so much, Deep, for making yourself available. Thank you so much for being with us, and thank you so much for all the inspirational talks that we did today. And honestly telling you, it was nice talking to you like always, and it was my pleasure to have you here. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.